Hi, today we're going to look at how to set up your warehouse if you have a warehouse space so it's efficient and it's safe. This is our warehouse. We run a business out of here. We do almost $1.5 million in sales annually in less than 1,000 square feet in this space where we keep all of our product. I've got 4 trucks working out of here. We have our deliveries every 2 weeks. My business could grow to be $2 or $3 million a year in annual sales, and there would still be enough room in this space. I would just increase my delivery time. So to once a week. You can even get bigger, have deliveries twice a week, every day, doesn't matter. What's important though is you want to make sure it's efficient, it works for you. Some of the things we've done in this warehouse is divide the product out so it's easy to get to. You see the pallets of beverages. The racks are set up to the left here so that your pallets of beverages can slide right in. Right now we're 2 days away from our next delivery, so we'll see we're very low on product. Things like your mainstays, your cola, your water are down this center aisle. We make it so when they back their trucks in, this is what they come closest to because this is what they're going to be loading the most of. All of our chips are up higher on these pallet racks. Pallet racks are great to have. Bolt them to the ground. You want to put the light chips and cookies and things like that up top, easier on your back. It's a good spot for those. Notice that the height of our pallet racks here in these spaces are enough for a full pallet of beverages to come underneath them when the pallets first come in. Another thing you want to look at when you're setting up your warehouse is making sure that boxes that you're going to have kept open, things like different types of gums and mints, your candies and things. You don't want to accidentally get caught on one of these boxes. It can be a safety hazard, so you want to leave enough room to move everything back from the edge so there's nothing hanging over. And when you put things on your shelves, you want to organize them by type and make your inventory list match your shelving. Don't make your shelving match your inventory list. You set up your warehouse where it makes sense for loading. Keep like products together. Set your inventory list up to go with that. You see here, we have cookies. Here's some candies, gums and mints. More cookies in this section. Back behind here, all chips up on the top shelf. Makes it so much easier. Here we have our cups. We have individual coffees. And around the corner, we'll show you we have more coffee products. So when someone is loading a coffee order, they know to go to just that area and they'll load their coffee product. All right, so as I was saying, here I have cups, cases of coffee, single cup coffee systems, the product for that. Then coming across here, I've set it up with creamers, liquid creamers, powdered creamers. These are all different types of sweeteners. We move towards filters. On our bottom shelf, this is all coffee vending. If you have coffee vending machines, these are the bags that would go in your Nescafe or whatever type of machine you have, all lined up. Easy for someone just to go down, grab everything they need. Notice again, everything is off the floor on pallets, so it stays clean. We aren't going to have issues with moisture from the ground or bugs or rodents or any kind of pests. You can also use pallet racks with shelving like this to try to put some of your less commonly used beverages and things on. You want to make your product easy to get to. You want to make it easy to locate. And you want to make it easy to rotate as well. So you're always using fresh product in your warehouse. Many of our racks are set up where you can get behind them with smaller products like these 12 packs. You can come behind to the back side of this rack, push the fresh product in from the back. Always important to rotate your product, make sure your customers are getting the very best.